Hi, Michael Lamp. I'm with Avnet, and here we're representing Newark, a part of Avnet that is focused on development boards, specifically focused on all the suppliers that are franchised with our company. So what we're doing today is training our customers on IoTCONNECT. IoTCONNECT is a platform that is connected into AWS and provides the easiest experience for starting your connection into the cloud.
It's kind of like a workshop, and people can sign up and try different, learn with different platforms. Is that what it is?
Absolutely. So we're doing a workshop so they can get signed up. They take a kit out of the box, and within an hour, they've got a device connected to the cloud. Here we're showing a bunch of different examples that where we're focused on taking our suppliers like NXP, where we've got the latest MCX in, as well as the Freedom 93 boards, getting those connected to the cloud.
Is it this one?
Yes, and being able to then send that inference information up.
Yeah, can you put it a little bit higher? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you're doing face detection, safety analytics, right here.
Yeah, so we're doing multiple models. On this device, Linux device, we were running 4 different models, looking at the face, mouth, eyes, so forth, and then focused on worker safety. Then we're taking some new edge models from Infineon. These are production-ready models doing things like gesture detection. We're leveraging the voice assistant, so everything is running on the edge. That data is being sent to the cloud, but the importance is being able to retrain on that data. We're also showing other devices that are being connected in AWS from Sidewalk, which is available in the Americas, to LoRaWAN, as well as the LoRaWAN public network by AWS. And at the last table here, we're showing the Seed Studio running NVIDIA, Xavier NX, as well as the microchip device. These are both running Ubuntu, leveraging the IoTCONNECT Snap.
Right.
And then if you follow me around to the other side,
you'd sell this whole thing
as a kit.
as a whole and then
another Avnet company called Tria is showing production-ready models that are running Edge AI. So we've got the new Qualcomm IQ9, as well as the 6490 Dragonwing device. And then finally, or as you continue with the other Tria models, we're showing NXP, Renesas, AMD, and their latest dev kits as well. So we've got everything from an FPGA, down to ARM processors. And then over here with ST, we're showing both an MPU and an MCU. Both are running Edge AI, but NXP released their new, their latest architecture for their NPU, and able to show that same NPU running on both Linux as well as an RTOS device. And then
what is here?
Over here, we're with the Indema, which is a partner of Avnet's. They've been focused on really enabling drone technology. So working with customers on custom products. But even these devices, we're getting them connected to AWS, able to relay that telemetry data back to the cloud.
What is this area
and
here?
Then also with Avnet, or with Newark, we're supporting customers with our, all of our suppliers. So we have test equipment. A lot of the Newark test equipment that's available, our own labels, as well as companies like Tektronix, Fluke, Keysight, and so forth. So we support customers at the bench, and then also. We're a big supporter of Raspberry Pi and the Maker community. So with all of the enablement around Raspberry Pi, we're showing the new vision camera. So doing AI at the edge, within the camera, relaying those inferences back to the Pi. Here we're running the AI YOLO algorithms directly on the Raspberry Pi 5, and then getting that information up to the cloud, counting fruit, for example.
Nice. And here it says Ubuntu IoTCONNECT.
Yes. Both of these. Well, this device is running Ubuntu, and the IoTCONNECT Snap available on the Snapcraft store, and we've got Greengrass running as well.
What's happening here?
I don't know much about this one.
Okay, that's a bunch of sensors or something.
Yeah. So we're also ADI is a big partner of Avnet's. Of Newark, and we're
And here's a whole bunch of partners.
Yes.
And you say it's an Avnet company. Can you talk a little bit about Newark, what it's about?
Yeah, so Newark is a global company, and Europe is known as Premier Farnell, and the U.S. is known as Newark, and really supporting our customers with dev boards, development kits that are in stock, and so they can get started right away. So that's
And
the goal.
you help them to get started, and then after the development board, maybe they want to custom design stuff,
Absolutely.
and you connect them.
Yeah, so we'll support customers who are building theirs, as well as customers who have ideas and then want us to connect them with a partner to go ahead and build and produce those in volume. And so
HDMI technology powers the global ecosystem of connected devices, enabling advanced displays that deliver immersive visuals and sound across entertainment, professional, and everyday applications.
As the preferred technology for digital AV connectivity, HDMI technology and the features and benefits it enables
Links billions of products worldwide, from HD TVs, set-top boxes, and laptop to gaming consoles, projectors, and audio-video receivers. It provides the reliable, high-bandwidth connectivity needed for today's ultra-high-definition video, lifelike color accuracy, and immersive sound formats.
HDMI technology drives innovation across industries, including digital signage, medical imaging,
Education, and esports. With unmatched performance, interoperability, and scalability, HDMI technology continues to define how content is created, shared, and enjoyed around the world.